Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator for generating images. So first of all, open the Microsoft Edge web browser. Now then type in here bing.com/create. Now you will get here. Now here you will have 100 boosts which are like a currency for generating images on this Bing AI image generator. Now a single boost creates 4 images, and once you run out of them, the generating process will take a much longer time and the quality will also be reduced. Now, you can use your Microsoft reward points for redeeming the boosts. You can get 5 boosts for 500 Microsoft reward points. And Microsoft will also add some to your account on a weekly basis. Now, the next step is to just simply type in a prompt here, but there is a particular manner on how you should do that. For example, first type in the image you want to create and then put a comma and then write the art of drawing you want. Let's say you want it to be ultra realistic, you want it to be pencil drawing, you want it to be a watermark painting and stuff. For example, I'm gonna put in here a muscle car standing in front of a warehouse, put in a comma, and I'm going for ultra realistic. Ultra realistic. Click enter, and we'll generate the images by using a single boost. So here, as you can see, it is provided me with 4 ultra realistic photos of a muscle car parked in front of a warehouse. Now I'm gonna try to make a different picture with a different style of photo. Let's say uh, GTR 34, GTR 34 racing in the city under street lights. I'm gonna say ink drawing. Click enter and it will generate the images. So here, as you can see, it has provided me the 4 ink drawing images of GTR 34 racing in the under street lights. And you can try out different style as well, but there is a negative that it cannot process the humanly features like legs, eyes, and hands very well. So you will have to shape your prompt in such a way that these features of a person is avoided. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use Bing AI image generator for generating images. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.